Thanks to the LEGO group for sponsoring this video.
Hi guys, it's Nicole Laeno and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I've partnered up with the LEGO group to be head of choreography for their kids' creative studio. I'm so excited to show you guys how to use the app LEGO VIDIYO and some of the videos that I've created. It's been so much fun dancing with all of the bandmates and using the different beat bits. First thing is to download the app.
On the box, there's a QR code where you can scan. Then it'll let you know if your device is supported. From there, you can download it from the App Store.
And reminder, VIDIYO is spelled VIDIYO. You can either start playing with a free digital bandmate or a physical bandmate that you can scan. I have my very own beatbox, so today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use the physical bandmate. When you open the box, it gives you instructions on how to build it. It's so much fun, just like how you would when building a LEGO set. Once you're done, you scan it on the app and it'll register the bandmate and beat bits, and now you're ready to roll. Bandmates are characters like this adorable party llama, and you can change how they look in the app. Beat bits are the special effects that you can unlock for your bandmate to be able to do. For example, some of the beat bits that I got in this box are Windy Day, Trendy Dance, Rainbows Galore, and many more. Alright, and now once everything is scanned, you picked your music, you're ready to create your very own music video. This is the time where you'll look for a cool location so you can set your bandmate. Make sure it's in a safe location and you're not recording anyone without their permission. As you guys can see, my bandmate is grooving to the song that I chose. Now when I click on the beat bit, the bandmate will do it to the beat. So you can do this as many times as you want, or I like to switch it up and do them in a row and then start over. Then there you have it, you created an awesome music video. You'll be able to save it, play it over, or share it on the social button for others to enjoy. By the way, if you're going to share it on the social button, you're going to need a login, so have your parent help with that. I think my favorite location to film would be in my living room in front of my fireplace. Here's a clip of me and my dad dancing. We had so much fun, and after we finished filming, we couldn't stop laughing. And here's another clip with me dancing with the unicorn bandmate. There's so many different bandmates and beat bits you can add to your collection and keep creating videos. I personally like all the dancing effects, but there are so many fun ones where you can definitely get creative. I can't wait for you guys to try this out and add your personal spin on it. The best part is that you can create these videos anywhere you go. Make sure to get a parent to help you, or even better, have them join. Thanks again to the LEGO group for sponsoring this video. Make sure to download the app LEGO VIDIYO, and I'll also link it down below. Stay positive. Bye!